Hello and welcome everyone to a new video in your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to highlight text in Everand Ebooks. So to do this, you just need to go to the Everand app, open any ebook that you want, that you are already reading, and go to the part of that ebook that you want to highlight. Tap on the screen, and after that you just need to select the part that you want to highlight, and as you can see on the top there is an icon of highlighter that appear on your screen. You just need to click on it like that, and as you can see now this text is highlighted. Even if we change pages, the text stay highlighted. And if you want to find all the highlighted text, as you can see, there is an icon on the bottom of the screen where there is number 2 in my screen, and of course this icon change with the change of the saved and the highlighted parts. You just need to click on it, and as you can see, you will find here all the notes and the bookmarked parts on the book that you are reading now. For example, if I want to go back to that part, I just need to click on it. Even if I'm in another page, as you can see now, I click on it and it will take me directly to the highlighted part on that book. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and see you in the next video.